Today, I want to talk about the notices required for municipal utility districts, otherwise known as MUDs. When the new Public Improvement District laws on notices came out last year, it stirred new interest and questions on MUDs that we are still getting to this day. Now yes, the seller must provide notices on MUDs prior to executing the contract. However, did you know that there are more than just MUDs that fall under this notice requirement? Notices under the Water Code Section 49.452 apply to entities other than MUDs, such as water control improvement districts, underground water conservation districts, freshwater supply districts, water improvement districts, drainage districts, levee improvement districts, irrigation districts, special utility districts, and stormwater control districts. This is because the Water Code Section 49.452 requires notices for all district types created under Title IV of the Water Code. Those that I just listed are the districts created under Title IV of the Water Code. So even though we say MUD district, remember that we have other types of districts that seller must give notices to the buyer about. The reason notice is required is because those districts impose additional assessments and/or taxes against the affected properties. Did you also know that the form of notice that the seller is supposed to provide can be obtained directly from the applicable district? But how do you know where to find if your property is in one of these districts? The first and best place to look is with the list of taxing entities shown on the local CAD website. A second place you can look to find water districts is on the Texas Commission for Environmental Quality's website. They actually have an interactive map where you can locate the address you are looking for and see if there are any water districts surrounding that area. You will have to enable the map to show other district types. Its default is for MUDs. Typically, once you find the district that affects your property, you can click on it and the basic information, including the contact information, which is the most important for you, for the district should pop up. It is best to contact that district and get them to provide you with the seller's required notice. Further, Section 49.453 of the Water Code provides, a district covered by Section 49.452 shall also maintain in the district office the particular form of notice to purchaser required by Section 49.452 to be furnished by a seller to a purchaser of real property in that district and shall, upon written request of any person, issue the notice form completed by a district with all information required to be furnished by the district. A notice form issued by a district under the provisions of this section shall include a written statement that the notice form is being issued by the district, the date of its issuance, and the district's telephone number. A district should not be required to orally provide the information. Good luck on getting the information you need, and please know that we as the title companies are in this with you. Finding the districts that cover the applicable property is difficult for us all. If you have any questions, suggestions for our next tip, please email tipoftheweek@allegiancetitle.com. We better see you at the closing table soon.